Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being on time. We are here to discuss our marketing strategy for the next quarter. To start, Mrs. Rina, do you have any suggestion on how we can increase engagement on social media? Thank you, Mr. Andy. I think we can try more interactive video content. If we create more engaging content, we will likely see an increase in engagement. That's a great idea, Mrs. Rina. We must ensure that the video content is relevant to our target audience. If it's not, we might not see many viewers. I agree. Additionally, we might consider involving influencers to promote our products. If we can collaborate with the right influencer, we can definitely reach a wider audience. I like that city. However, we need to be careful when choosing influencers. If we pick influencers who don't align with our brand, it could backfire. Any other suggestion? I think we should also improve our website's SEO. If our site is easier to find on search engines, we can attract more organic traffic. Absolutely, Mrs. Rina. We should conduct an SEO audit and see what can be improved. We can start by optimizing keywords and improving the website's speed. Great! We'll do that. Additionally, we should consider a paid advertising strategy. If we allocated a budget for social media ads, we can reach our target faster. Great, Mr. Andy. However, we must ensure that our ad budget is used effectively. If not, we will just be wasting money. How about starting with a small campaign first? If the small campaign is successful, we can expand it. That's good idea, Mrs. Rina. We can measure the result and see which strategies are most effective before investing more money. Okay, so we agree to try interactive video content, influence influencer, improve SEO, and start with a small ad campaign. We must monitor the progress of each strategy and make adjustment as needed. Doesn't anyone have anything to add before we conclude the meeting? I think that covers anything, Mr. Andy. We can start planning the implementation the right way. Alright then, let's end the meeting here. Thank you for your contribution. We will meet again next week to review our progress. Have a great day, everyone.